Hi, fourth grade, it's Mrs. Feathers. I'm going to go over your grammar practice pages with you for the week. Because we are remote, you will be assigned these pages digitally on Google Classroom. On Monday, you will have page 26 assigned to you. On Tuesday, pages 27 to 28. And on Wednesday, page 29. Your grammar quiz will be on Thursday. Your first page on Tuesday will be page 26, and on this page you will be reviewing common versus proper nouns. Please remember to use this zoom feature that I'm circling on the screen to make your page bigger. And I also have a text box here in yellow and red to give you some tips. Let's go over the box on the top first. The box reminds us that a noun is a person, place, or thing. A common noun is any person, place, or thing. For example, student, teacher, book, desk, school. A proper noun is a specific person, place, or thing. We know that proper nouns need to begin with capital letters, and if a proper noun has more than one word, each important word begins with a capital letter. The directions state to read each sentence and circle the nouns. Write C over the nouns that are a common noun, and write a P over each noun that is a proper noun. My yellow tip box says to drag and resize the red circles to show the noun in each sentence or nouns. There could be more than one. And in the text boxes after each sentence, write if each noun is common or proper. See number 1 for an example and watch the video that you are watching right now. I did number 1 for you. So number 1 said, the house is brown and white. House is a noun, so I circled it in red. And in the text box, I wrote house equals C because house is common. Let's do number 2 together. Mrs. LaRusso is my teacher. This sentence has 2 nouns. So I'm going to take the circles and circle teacher because teacher is a noun. I'm going to resize it a little bit to make it cover the whole word. And Mrs. LaRusso is also a noun. So again, I'm going to make it a little bigger to cover her whole name. In the text box, I'm going to write Mrs. LaRusso equals proper because it's a name, it's a specific person. And teacher equals common because teacher is just any teacher. It's a common noun. You will finish this page with the same directions for 3 through 10. On Tuesday, you will be assigned pages 27 and 28. Page 27, at the top, it says that a noun is a word that is a person, place, or thing. A common noun is any person, place, or thing. A proper noun is the name or title of a specific person, place, or organization. And on this page, we're also looking at concrete versus abstract. So a concrete noun names a person, place, or thing that can be identified with any of the 5 senses, so sight, hearing, touch, smell, or taste. And an abstract noun names a person, place, or thing that cannot be identified with the 5 senses. So abstract nouns usually name ideas or thoughts or feelings. On this page, you're going to read the list of nouns and decide whether each word is a concrete or abstract noun, and you're going to do a word sort in the correct columns. The first word is paper. Paper is something I can see, I can touch it, I could taste it if I really wanted to, I could smell it. So I'm going to put paper under concrete. The next word is loyalty. Now, loyalty is not something I can see or touch or taste, smell, or hear. So loyalty is going to go in my abstract column. You could even use the line feature to cross off the words that you already did, if that helps you visually see which ones you still need to do. Your second page on Tuesday will be capitalizing proper nouns. It's page 28. So you will capitalize each important word in a proper noun. And then in the box, it reminds us that we have to capitalize names of the days of the week, months, holidays, important words and titles of publications, so like books or magazines, names of languages, so like English, Japanese, German, races, nationalities, and historical events, and also a product or a geographical name. On this page, you're going to write each sentence correctly using capital letters for proper nouns. Each sentence could have more than one proper noun. Number 1 says, I will speak with Mr. Perry on Friday. I notice that Mr. Perry is a proper noun. It is a person's name. And Friday is also a proper noun because it's a day of the week. So when I retype this sentence, I need to be sure to capitalize Mr., capitalize Perry, and capitalize Friday. You will finish this page for 2 through 8. On Wednesday, you will have page 29 assigned to you, and this page is a proofreading page. So the box at the top just reminds you of all of the directions from the previous 3 pages. The directions state to rewrite the sentence below, correcting mistakes in capitalization of nouns. Number 1 says, my brother Eli says that all soldiers are brave. I see a few nouns in this sentence. However, Eli is the only proper noun, so that is the only noun that needs to be capitalized. Because soldiers is just a common noun that does not need a capital letter at the beginning. When you rewrite these sentences, be sure you're capitalizing those proper nouns. You will have 2 through 5 to complete. As always, please feel free to reach out to myself, Mr. Casper, or Mrs. Oliver with any questions. We will also be offering Tuesday and Thursday Google Meets because we are remote. The link for these Google Meets will be posted on our Google Classroom. Stay healthy and stay safe, 4th grade.